Tettra is a knowledge-based platform that allows organizations to create, manage, and share internal documents, processes, and guidelines in an easily accessible and organized manner. It helps teams collaborate better by providing a centralized hub for important information. To make money online with Tettra in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Understand the platform. Familiarize yourself with Tettra's features, interface, and how it can benefit different types of organizations. 2. Identify your niche. Choose a specific industry or field where you can provide valuable knowledge-based solutions. This could be anything from digital marketing, freelancing, e-commerce, or even a hobby-based niche. 3. Create a Tettra account. Sign up for a Tettra account and set up your knowledge base. 4. Develop content. Begin creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content related to your chosen niche. Ensure that your content is well-researched, easy to understand, and provides real value to your target audience. 5. Optimize for SEO. Make sure your content is optimized for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and headings. This will help your knowledge base rank higher in search results, attracting more visitors. 6. Promote your knowledge base. Share your Tettra knowledge base on social media platforms, forums, and other online communities related to your niche. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content with others. 7. Monetization options. A. Freemium model. Offer a basic version of your knowledge base for free while charging for premium features or access to exclusive content. B. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies or services related to your niche and promote their products or services within your knowledge base. Earn a commission for every sale or referral generated through your content. C. Sponsored content. Reach out to businesses or individuals interested in advertising within your knowledge base. Charge them a fee for featuring their content, products, or services. D. Consulting services. Offer consulting services to businesses or individuals seeking advice or assistance in your niche. You can use your knowledge base as a portfolio to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. 8. Analyze and improve. Regularly track your progress using analytics tools provided by Tettra or external services. Identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to your content, marketing strategies, and monetization methods. 9. Network and collaborate. Connect with other Tettrausers, industry professionals, and influencers to expand your reach, share knowledge, and collaborate on projects. 10. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends, best practices, and updates in your niche and on the Tettra platform to ensure your knowledge base remains relevant and profitable. By following these steps, you can create a successful Tettra knowledge base and monetize it in various ways, ultimately making money online with Tettra in 2024. Remember that consistency, quality content, effective promotion, and adaptability are key factors in achieving long-term success.